Danxia Mountain is a World Natural Heritage in southern China. The natural reserve is also called China's Redstone Park. It has hundreds of redstone peaks, walls, bridges, and pillars. Look over there. The view is quite marvelous. The shape of stones looks like nature cutting big cake into pieces. Quite stunning. Characterized by its red cliffs and erosional landforms, Danxia Mountain took its name from its unique color. In Chinese, Danxia means rosy clouds. With an area of more than 292 square kilometers, this is the largest scenic spot in Guangdong province. This area is covered in subtropical evergreen forest, and a beautiful river wanders across the park. The inverted images of red peaks in clear water make this park so attractive to travelers.
The Danxia landform involves a large scope and covers several provinces in China, which in geology is named after the site where we are, Danxia Mountain. It became a UNESCO Global Geopark in 2004 and a World Heritage Site in 2010. Chinese scholar Fen Jinglan termed the unique red beds in the region as Danxia beds. Over the years of research and promotion, China Danxia has been introduced to the world, and its value has been universally recognized as well.
它首先是我们中国对全球的一个贡献。地学的词典里面呢，就只有一个是我们丹霞两个字是拼音词汇，它的红色是怎么来的，它的地貌是怎么形成的，那么这里独特的一些生物的物种它是怎么保存下来的，那么这些呢都为我们研究地球的历史，保护好地球的生态环境，让我们人类永远的住在这个地球家园上，都会提供非常好的资讯。
Danxia Mountain is rich in red beans due to its sufficient sunshine and suitable soil conditions. Red bean is noted as the most beautiful seed on earth for its brilliantly red color and the shape of heart. For thousands of years, Chinese people have compared it to the symbol of love and peace. As a specialty of Danxia Mountain, a hand-woven red bean bracelet is not hard to find here.
每年的12月份，这农历12月份左右，我们就上山捡红豆，捡回来之后再清理挑选之后的话就打孔之后再把它编成各种各样的像手串这种。疫情的问题，就在现在网上销量是比较大的。淘宝店的话现在是比量比较大，占了2/3吧，可能应该有。
In 2015, the weaving of red bean was included in the intangible cultural heritage list in the municipal level. Look, here is the red bean bracelet that I have just made. Thanks to the improvement of rural e-commerce and logistic distribution system, this beautiful piece is more known to people across the country.